Right, right. Such great guidance, and do apply those things, as it comes. All right, we can move to 11th of July now.
Sure. So today, the moon exalted is in Kritika Nakshatra, which is, of course, in Taurus. Now, it is at its absolute highest placement of strength. It's called Digbali. It's at its exaltation. Now, as it transits through Kritika Nakshatra, ruled by the sun and Agni, the fire god, creates a unique mix of a peaceful mind because Taurus is earth, it's about being grounded, and it is powered by a sharp, purifying
Okay.
Agni, fire. It destroys and it purifies. It's
Okay.
beautiful energy. And cutting through confusion because the symbol of Kritika is a knife or a razor. Now, Venus today sits literally in Maga Nakshatra, the heart of the lion, Regulus. It's the king of kings. It's the little king. It's, I mean, if anything, please, I want you to connect today with your ancestors. I'm telling you, today is the day where if you offer something, it can be a sweet word to them.
Okay.
If you can offer something like food that somebody loved. And when I talk about ancestors, anybody in your lineage, even your pets are your ancestors in some way. Trust
Okay.
me.
Yeah.
Engage with this energy today. Say hello, say thank you. You will receive their blessings tenfold. I promise you this. I promise you this. What can you use today for? Investing in long term assets.
Okay.
Moon, Taurus, money. Period. That's why, it's the bull.
Okay.
Bull is stock markets, it's money. Wealth management is highlighted today.
Right.
If you are thinking of starting some long term money saving scheme, अगर आप किसी को आज घर पे बुला सकते हो to sit down and understand कि ये मेरे savings है, how do I allocate my funds, where can I invest it, आज आपको बहुत perfect advice आपको आज मिल सकता है. Now, because Taurus is here, it is a good day to do some research on land, say, property, or eating a lovely meal with your family. घर पे आप कुक करिए, nourishing home cooked food or something to nourish your body.
Okay.
Okay? भले आप मसाज, head massage, तेल मालिश, जो भी आपको करना है,
Right,
something to pamper yourself, engage with the energy. In any form or shape, it is nothing specific. जब आप energy के साथ engage करते हो, वो आपके साथ engage करता है, and that's what I want you to do. One thing you have to be careful, because Agni का आज बहुत ज्यादा प्रभाव है, with Kritika also being a knife and cutting stuff out. अगर आप खाना खा रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा एसिडिटी, ऐसे वाला खाना आप अवॉइड करिए.
Right.
बहुत ही तीखा खाना, बहुत ही मसालेदार, ये आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो. Please say hello to your ancestors. I'll say it again. Venus in Maga. आपको ये करना है with your roots. Connect with your roots. Visit a place, a temple, a old home of yours where you live with your family.
Right.
Please do it. Some miracle will happen in that zone for you. Somebody will come and give you an answer. आपको कुछ ना कुछ उससे आज मिलना है. Now, if you have older family members, उनसे आप advice आज ले सकते हैं. Avoid stubborn confrontations. Taurus energy, is very rigid.
Okay.
It's like the bull energy, नहीं, ये ऐसे ही होगा. ये आपको आज avoid करना है. Today is not a good day to launch a brand new website.
Okay.
Or sign online, media contracts.
Okay.
Or launch communication campaigns. So anything online आप आज avoid करिए. When the moon is stable and in a better position, you can do it.
Okay.
And because Mercury is still retrograde, some kind of hitches will come. Today is not the day to start that.
Okay. Wow. Awesome. I think finally we have reached 12th of July. Let's have it for 12th of July as well. Or maybe take a short break.
Perfect.
Let's take a short break.
Sure.